Hi, welcome to Estates Online. We're a web design and marketing company. Let me take a few minutes to show you around the site so you can see the many services we can offer you. Our web development section highlights our web and mobile app capabilities and some of the industries we've served. Maybe you're thinking of updating your site with your company's latest information. In that case, our website redesign service can easily update your existing pages and even give your site a refreshing new look. And it's a great way to save money as well. Now, if you're thinking about adding a mobile app, we offer iPhone as well as Android development. We specialize in WordPress, as it's the most popular content management system across the web. We've served many industries, probably yours as well. If you have an e-commerce requirement, we can offer WooCommerce, Magento, and Shopify. Whatever you need, you'll find right here. In fact, very few IT companies can offer the range of services you'll find here. Click on any of these panels to get more information. When you do, scroll to the bottom to see examples of our work. We provide web services using many frameworks and technologies, as each has its advantages and we'll know which is the best for your job. Click on each framework for a brief description and how we can utilize it as a solution to your needs. Next, I'd like to introduce you to our digital marketing services. The list is comprehensive and includes search engine optimization, social media marketing, pay-per-click, mobile marketing, copywriting, and reputation management. When you're looking for a technology company, you want to be sure that the company can complete the job on time and within your budget. First, I can assure you that we've never disappointed a client. Also, you'll never be surprised by cost overruns. After discussing your requirements with us, we'll send a detailed proposal including the cost and time to completion, removing any mystery or uncertainty. So, pick up the phone or send us an email and let us quote your next project.